Video, we are going to deal with another practical which shows how do we use CSS in our HTML documents. So this is the web page that we have created. In order to see the source code for this particular web page, we can right click and click on view page source. Once we do that, the source code for that particular page will be displayed to us like this. Now here you can see that we have started the document with doc type HTML, then HTML head, and whatever the CSS elements we are supposed to give, that will be given inside the style tag. Now here you can see that inside the style tag, we have said that we will be using a paragraph, and these are the formatting options for that particular paragraph, that the color is going to be red and the paragraph is going to be aligned center. And we have closed the style tag here and closed the head. Then we started the body tag, and here you can see that inside the body tag we have used two paragraphs, and both the paragraphs, if we look at the output, they are designed accordingly to the instructions that we have given in the CSS part, and the color is red and both of them are aligned in center.